Hi, if you want to record calls on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, then you actually need to download a third-party app that will allow you to do so. You can find it, for instance, in the Play Store, and I'm gonna use an app that is called Cube ACR. There we go. Now, there is a few things that you need to do in order to properly set up this app, but I'm gonna try to show you everything that is necessary in order to start using the app. So once we install it, we want to open it. Then we need to press next. Now tap grant permission. We want to allow everything over here. There we go. Now over here we have the disable power optimization for Cube. So we can press OK and then press allow. Now we have geotagging. It is not really necessary, so you can press no thanks. And later on we can of course re-enable it. If you have this window where you are offered some premium choices, then of course we can press this cross in the top left corner. We need to do that twice, and we will need to install the helper. So we're gonna press install help over here. We will open the browser in order to get it, and let's say we're gonna choose the Galaxy Store in this case, and let's press install. There we go, and then one more time press install. All right. Now we need to wait for the app to be downloaded. There we go. And we're gonna open the helper now. So we go next, one more time, grant permission and allow everything. There we go. Then we have the app connector. So over here we have the display or information how to do that. So we need to press enable app connector, and we need to go to installed apps. And over here we have Cube ACR app connector, and we need to turn it on. We need to press allow. There we go. Now we can press OK, then press allow. There we go. So the helper is done. We can now press open Cube ACR, and it seems to be set up. Now, in order to start recording, we don't really need to do anything, I think, if I remember correctly. So let me give it a try. There we go. So now I have started a call. And if you open the notifications, then you will see the notification from Cube ACR that automatic call is being recorded. It is in progress now. So let's actually end the call. And now we need to find the recording, which should be in the Cube ACR app over here. We can press it and then we can press play in order to listen to the recording. Now, from what I've noticed by using this app, the recording should last at least 5 seconds or so in order to make the app start recording, and the recording should start automatically by doing so. And that's pretty much it. By using this app, by installing it, we can record every call automatically. You can also go through the settings. You can tap on these 3 lines in the top left corner. And then you have, for instance, miscellaneous, and over here we have some options that can be enabled and disabled. Of course, we can also tap on this microphone over here in order to create a dictaphone recorder in addition to that, and that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.